I smell pepper.
Nice.
The sequestered is going to be earthier and spicier than the two above it.
Hummingbird.
Where? Where?
There, on the wire. Not this wire, but that one. See, it's flying.
Yep. All right. Okay. Hi, everybody. Jenny and Kevin here. We're back for another video during our West Coast swing, is what I like to call it. We're fortunate that we have relatives out here that we're able to visit and get to spend time with them, and but along the way we still want to do some sightseeing and do some experiencing of some of the things that we may not necessarily get to do in Kansas. On our way out, we went to Page, Arizona, and we got to experience Antelope Canyon and Horseshoe Bend, and then we went to the flower fields in Carlsbad, California, and got to see some amazing flower fields. And
you skipped Quartzsite. We went to Quartzsite, Arizona, and went out in the desert looking for crystals and rocks.
Yep. So today we're doing something a little different, but it's something we've done before, and we decided we wanted to do it again because this is something we just discovered on one of our previous trips, and we wanted to bring a little bit of it to you in case that you wanted to try something out that's similar to this. We are at Orfila.
Hummingbird.
Where? Where?
There, on the wire. Not this wire, but that one. See, it's flying.
Yep, there it is. Maybe I can get it later. Hopefully.
Sorry. So yeah, we're at Orfila Vineyard and Winery, and we found it 3 or 4 years ago, and we've been back. This is not the first time we've been back, but since we're out here and we've started this vlog, we wanted to bring you along. It's just a very pleasant place. It's like, I don't know, a couple miles off of I-15, but you wouldn't really know it. Where you can see behind us their vineyard, and they have a nice patio out here and a tasting room inside. It is a little chilly today, but it's still
not.
very
I wouldn't
pleasant.
call it chilly.
Well, we're both wearing jackets.
But it's not chilly. I would call it cool.
Okay, all right. Let's parse words.
So we're going to enjoy a couple of wine tastings, and we might take a little walk through the vineyard. There are so many ways to appreciate God's creation. To experience them, you can really get up close and personal in any way, shape, and form, and wherever you are. And so hopefully we'll bring some of that to you.
You guys do Pinots?
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
well, typically like to try and kind of run the gamut too. Start with the Pinots and then work our way down to the more robust ones. So.
And then with wine is a very full-bodied, kind of a Northeast Italian varietal. I really like that one. That one is the cousin of the Syrah and the grandchild of the Pinot Noir.
Oh, gotcha. Nice. That's the sequestered, which is a Pinot. It's lighter, and then this is the Sangiovese. So we'll give it a shot.
Is this one she said was spicy?
Yes.
I smell pepper. I don't know if I'm supposed to or not, but I do.
Oh, the pepper. I think you're right on the pepper.
Oh, maybe some cherry? I don't know. I'm not an expert, but I do like it.
A little earthy, but definitely good. Definitely good.
It's good. I like it. We've been here before. This is one of our favorite wineries to come to when we come out here. But usually we're here in like June-ish, and all of that out there is green and leaves, and the trellis above us is covered in leaves, and we see hummingbirds, and so, but we're early, a little different look.
I don't know, my palate is just not as refined as I would like it to be, I guess. I don't know.
It doesn't make it any less enjoyable.
Oh no.
Well, maybe it does, we just don't know.
This is another one of those stop and smell the flowers type of moments. You know, we've kind of been showing you at the granular level how to look at things and look for things in a way that maybe you haven't before. With wine, it's the same way. You know, you drink wine with a meal or whatever, and it's good and it works well with whatever you're eating. But sometimes it's good to just taste and pay attention specifically to what each wine has to offer. And it's just something that we like to do. And whether you like to do wine or maybe beer or just the local foods, get out there and focus on just appreciating a lot of the different things that are out there for you to experience. And that's a big reason why we've started this blog, is we want to encourage you to look at things from another perspective. Hopefully you'll be able to appreciate more some of the things that we tend to kind of bypass in our busy lives, and especially with the last 3 years going on, with everything going on. It's just a matter of our perspective. So. What'd you think of the wines?
It's good. They were all good. We had a favorite.
Mm-hmm. And we chose the same, didn't we?
We did.
We have similar tastes, and we figured it's actually beautiful right now. It's about 60 degrees, no wind, overcast, but not dreary. The sun's starting to peek out, and so, you know what, we thought we'd go for a little walk, and looks like the vines have been pruned back to get ready for this growing season. So it's not green yet, but I'm sure in just a few short months, this place is just gonna be lush and green, especially considering all the rain they've been getting. So yeah, it's hard not to want to go out and take a walk when you have this to look at. So we're taking full advantage of it, and hope you
do too.
Yeah. Yeah, this is really a gem down here in San Diego County. Generally, when you talk about California and wine country, most people think about or are referring to Napa or Sonoma, but that's what, 7, 8, 10,
That's a ways
12,
up there.
It's a ways.
We actually haven't experienced that yet. We might take you there someday if we get there.
Yes, but we've also discovered during our travels that there are little pockets and smaller wineries and vineyards in California, actually just like Kansas. You'll see now them popping up all over the state. But there are smaller vineyards and wineries throughout California, and one of them here in San Diego is Orfila, and we've just really enjoyed their wines and their atmosphere here. We've also
San Diego area. We're actually in Escondido.
We are in Escondido, right, just north of San Diego. We've also gone to Temecula, which is about 40 minutes north of here, but not nearly as far away as the 7 or 8 hours or more that it takes to get to Sonoma or Napa from here near San Diego. But Temecula also has a very popular and very big wine region that you might not know about either. And we've been there, and who knows, you might see a video in the future if we decide to come back and experience that as well. But it's really beautiful here and peaceful.
It up here at Orfila. We've very much enjoyed our time here. We're gonna head back down towards San Diego, and be sure to let us know what you think. Like, subscribe, and we will put a link to Orfila below, so if you want to check their website out, or better yet, come out here in person and check them out, feel free.
Yeah, we've had an amazing time here in California. Unfortunately, we will eventually here in a short while have to make our way back to Kansas. That's okay, because there are plenty of more adventures out there that are waiting for us, and they're waiting for you too. So get out there and see what's out there.